The OPR replacement PI intake manifold with gasket set is a great option for 1999 to 2004 Mustang GT owners looking to replace a damaged stock manifold or increase performance with a more efficient intake design. Whether you're dealing with coolant leaks from the factory plastic unit, looking for better airflow, or planning to maximize performance with supporting mods, this intake manifold provides an affordable and reliable solution that maintains OEM fitment. This performance improved or PI intake manifold is designed as a direct replacement for the 1999 to 2004 Mustang GTs. This is a great option for Mustang owners looking to enhance horsepower and torque, especially when paired with supporting upgrades like cold air intake, throttle body, or a custom tune. One of the biggest advantages of this intake is going to be the composite plastic construction, which helps with heat resistance. Unlike older metal manifolds, this reduces heat soak, keeping the intake air temperatures lower and improving overall engine efficiency. This is going to be especially beneficial for high performance builds that generate more heat from the engine and vehicles driven in warmer climates. The manifold comes with an aluminum crossover for improved durability, replacing the problematic all-plastic coolant crossover found in earlier factory versions. This upgrade helps prevent the common issue of coolant leaks, making this manifold a more reliable replacement over the stock. Made from durable, heat-resistant, OEM-quality composite plastic, this intake manifold is designed to handle the demands of everyday driving and performance use. The improved aluminum coolant crossover reinforces a known weak point in the earlier models, ensuring better longevity and resistance to cracks or leaks like we just talked about in the last section. The entire unit is built to OEM specifications, meaning it will fit without modifications on PI-equipped 99 to 04 Mustang GTs. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around the lower 300s price range, which is a solid value for restoring or upgrading a vital engine component like the intake manifold. This manifold is a direct fit replacement for 1999 to 2004 Mustang GTs and requires no modifications for vehicles already equipped with the PI or performance improved heads. The installation process is going to take you about 4 hours, so we're giving this one a solid 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. This is going to reuse a lot of the stock engine accessories and the stock alternator to make the process as straightforward as possible. A tune is not required, but it may help maximize performance gains, so it's something you might want to consider after you get this installed. Alright, well that's going to wrap up my review of the OPR replacement PI intake manifold with the gasket set for the 1999 to 2004 Mustang GTs. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.